Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to the KPS online lectures. Students, today we are going to have lecture number 4 for our ninth class, and today we will discuss the active and passive of the tense present perfect tense. Students, as you know very well, that in an active sentence the subject is of great importance, and in passive sentence either the subject is not there. If it is there, it is not so much necessary to mention it. It is in the last. We have object, that is the most important. First of all, we will see the structure of active sentence of present perfect tense. First of all, we have subject. Subject is the doer of an action. Then we have our helping verb, that is has or have. Then we have third form of verb, and then object. We use has with third person singular as he, she, it, and single name. And we use have with I, we, you, they, plurals, etc. Now, in passive sentence, first of all, there would be object, then we have has or have been. Students, we are to use the helping verb now according to the object, not the subject. Then we have third form of verb, then we have by and subject in the last. First, we see the simple sentence. For example, he has called me. Now, me is working as an objective case. So, in the passive sentence, it would be I as a subjective case. I have been called by him. We have changed he in him in passive sentence. Then we have negative sentence. He has not taken tea. Now, students, we are to use been with has or have. So, we will use not right after the first helping verb, that would be has. Tea has not been taken by him. Then we have interrogative sentence. Simple interrogative sentences. The sentences which are made interrogative by only the helping verb are called simple interrogative. For example, have you purchased a new car? Now, in this sentence, the object is a new car. We will not change the place of helping verb. It would be in the start. ये शुरू में ही रहेगा. Has a new car been purchased by you? You का subjective और objective case जो है वो सेम ही होता है, इसलिए you जो है वो you ही रहेगा. Then we have double interrogative. As we have discussed earlier that double interrogative is made by WH word and then helping verb. There can be more than one WH words, but here we have only one. Why have you purchased a new car? We will not change the place of WH word and helping verb. Why has a new car been purchased by you? Students, if we have more than one WH word, when and why have you purchased a car, we can also write it, use it as why have you purchased a car and when. यानी हम इनमें से एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब को फिक्रे के आखिर में भी लिख सकते हैं, इससे इसके मीनिंग पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Then we have who has killed the snake. Now, as we know, who also works as a subject. It is a WH word and it also works as a subject. Who has killed the snake? Now we will make who the object by saying by whom. By whom has the snake been killed? Means it is in the initial place in the passive sentence also. Then we have the sentence with which. Which snake have you killed? We are to use subject or object with which. It is a helping verb that demands subject or object. विच स्नेक हैव यू किल्ड. अब अगर ये सब्जेक्ट में स्नेक जो है वो विच के साथ आ रहा है तो ऑब्जेक्ट में भी ये विच के साथ ही यूज़ होगा. विच स्नेक हैज़ बीन किल्ड बाय यू. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारे पास एक सेंटेंस है हाउ मैनी बुक्स हैव यू परचेज्ड. नाउ इन पैसिव it would be with how many also. How many books have been purchased by you. How many is countable. If we have uncountable, as how much water have you drunk. In passive, water would also be with how much, uncountable. How much water has been drunk by you. So students, we have discussed the present perfect tense with its passives. We have discussed the sentence, simple sentence, negative sentence, simple interrogative, double interrogative, sentence with who and sentence with which. Now the work you are to do is to write down two sentences of each type of these sentences, and you will make its passives also. So students, you will practice it in this way. So students, this was our lecture for today. Thank you so much.